Miami University has a large collection of books and other items, but sometimes you need things that we don't have. OhioLINK, a partnership of academic libraries in the state of Ohio, has many more items to explore. The OhioLINK catalog contains the library holdings of over 100 college and university libraries around the state. You can borrow items from all of these libraries at no charge. You can find the OhioLINK catalog from a link on the GHL website, or from inside of the Miami University catalog, Books and More. The link inside the catalog lets you extend your search into the OhioLINK catalog to find other copies of an item, or to search for your subject among a larger group of materials. Here's how the catalog works from inside the Miami catalog. You click the OhioLINK button on the left side of the screen to see if OhioLINK has a copy available of an item that is not available at Miami. Or you click the OhioLINK link in the upper left of the page to start a new search in OhioLINK for your topic. Let's try artificial intelligence. You will see results for items that match the topic you typed in. You can scroll down and choose items, and if they are available at an OhioLINK library, you can use the request button to bring them to a library near you in 3 to 5 business days. You can also use the Modify Search button at the top of the screen to add additional items to your search, or limit your search by language, the type of item, and date of publication. The OhioLINK catalog linked from the GHL site is a slightly different interface, but searches the same information. You can use the options on the left side of the page to modify your search. We hope that you will remember to use the OhioLINK catalog to expand your search and find the items you need. See you at the library!